used to the wind right now because I can't look into the wind and speak at the same time. So as soon as this gust is over. Okay, so that's our Quonset with all our wood and our wood boiler. The snow's pretty high. And then in front, that huge pile is our excess wood, which could now fit inside, but I'm not carrying it all the way around in this weather. Anyway, there's our apple trees, still looking good. Okay, now we're starting to face the storm here. And that's our chicken house. And that building out there is the goat barn. So I'm about to go do mid-morning chores. I'm bringing them some water. And feeding everybody. So I'll turn this off just for now and then I'll show you the next video.